Hello guys, my name is Carlos. Welcome to a new channel. We got to be working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla XRS. We're going to be installing coilovers today. Got a set of coilovers from Rev 9. I believe they're like the cheapest ones that are 32-point adjustable, completely adjustable. And we'll be trying those today. This is my 2005 Toyota XRS. It's mainly stock, only exhaust 2.5 inches all the way to the back, and coilover intake, homemade of course. It's got its faults, you know, paint stuff, but other than that, it's completely stock. Right now it's lower on 2014 Toyota Corolla D2 springs. We'll be getting rid of those and installing the Rev 9 coilovers, which I have right here. We'll be open them in a minute. We'll go from there. Sorry about the messy inside the car. Bruh. Two ZZ GE engine, coilover intake, homemade. Picking them up. Oh, box inside a box. Great. Ooh, nice. Very nice. They're completely adjustable. Okay, guys. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got camber adjustment. Awesome. Check your rear. Check your rear. Awesome. Completely adjustable as well. Rebound. That's awesome. Right. Look at the adjustable mount, and I'll check with you in a minute. All right. Well, here are the Rev 9 coilovers. They look like they're well put together. That's for sure. Hopefully, I'll get a good service out of the money that I spent on it. Hopefully we'll be able to get something out of it, like I said. So no. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Out. All right. All with the old and with the new. Well, guys, I like it a little bit lower. You can put, you know, maybe 1 finger, 1.5 fingers here, something. We'll get to it in a minute. Everything already assembled. I didn't like to drop on it. I heard that they don't go low so much. So that being said, I decided to take this washer off right here, which is adjustable for the height, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off, and I'm gonna take it all the way down, and I'm gonna flip it upside down with the flat part is on the bottom side. That way I can adjust the tube, this piece, all the way to the top. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Yep, that's more like it. Yep, that's more like it. So I like it. It's got a little dark on me. Took a little longer than I expected. But anyway, now move on to the rear. Well, here's one of the rears. Overall length, it's about 1.5 inches shorter. Put it on. about right. Car's so dirty, I gotta clean it. Well guys, today's the next day. I finally got the coilovers adjusted, got a perfect ride height. I went around and it actually overall feels good. I haven't cleaned the car because it's fixing to rain here, so I haven't washed it yet, but it's got about maybe about half an inch difference between the front and the back ride height. So well, and I'll be doing a video here shortly once I run it. Okay. Guys, it's been a few days after I installed the coilovers, Rev 9 coilovers on the Corolla. I've been done a little right around here and there, but it's working good actually. I can't complain. I've been tweaking it here and there, and you know, it's running a little stiff or so, but of course it's pretty low. So as the car sits, actually it runs pretty good. You know, sorry if I'm recording from my phone because I left my GoPro at home, but just wanted to give you a little update on the riding quality of the car. And like I said, I mean, I like it. I can't complain. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.